Hi and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today I'm making homemade applesauce with strawberries. This is a great dessert for both grown-ups and kids. I mean, what is not to like about pink applesauce? To start, peel and dice the apples. Most varieties of apples will work for this. I recommend choosing one that is crisp and juicy, like for example Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, Golden Delicious, etc. Some apples are sweeter than others, but you can always add in some extra sugar later on if necessary. In the past, I've made this recipe throwing some pears in with the apples, and it was delicious too. So experiment with your favorite combination of fruit and let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Put the apples in a pot and then squeeze the juice of almost half a lemon onto the apples. Add a tablespoon of sugar and also add some water, just enough so that the bottom of the pot is covered and the apples don't burn, like this. Then give your apples a quick mix and turn your hob to medium heat. When you can hear it start to boil, and you will also be able to smell it, then lower the heat to medium-low and cover the pot. In the meantime, I'm washing and cutting up my strawberries. You really don't need a lot of them, maybe a handful. The apples should be lightly boiling the whole time. Every once in a while, don't forget to give the apples a quick mix, just so they don't burn. When the apples are soft enough that you can cut through them with a spoon, after about 10 minutes or so of cooking, go ahead and add in the strawberries. Then cover and let cook for another 5 minutes. When you lift the lid at the end of those 5 minutes, your whole house will smell of strawberries. When I made this the other day, my husband was working in our office, and when I lifted up the lid, he came rushing into the kitchen. And of course, I had to let him try some. Now at this point, you could decide to leave the fruit chunky for an elegant apple and strawberry compote. But I promised you applesauce, so applesauce I shall make. Blend up all your fruit together with all the liquid that's in the pot. This last step doesn't take that long, and you will have some delicious strawberry applesauce in no time at all. You can serve the applesauce hot or cold as you prefer, with some vanilla ice cream for example, or pack it in a lunchbox for a fruity snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and stick around for an example of what not to do.